morning, guys. How is everyone? We're here in St. Anne. Right now I'm very close to Dunn's River. Dunn's River is right up in the back there, and we're heading to Spanish Bridge. So me and my daughter are in this little car here. She's in there, and we're heading up to Spanish Bridge. All right, so let's continue. See, we drive through a whole set of bush. Evani,
yeah.
How is it so far?
Good.
Good, yeah. We just drive through bush, and now we by the normal spot we stop. If you watch a few of the videos of Spanish Bridge, we always stop here in this area, close to the property on Blue Hole side, but from the other side of the river. It's abandoned, but you get a nice view of the White River from here. And look, the people doing the Chukka tubing. The famous touring company Chukka does river tours on the White River, and they start in Spanish Bridge. That's where we're going, and you can see them coming down through, and there's a nice little area there where the river is narrow. It's a nice little run, and they come and they go down the water. It's really nice. You should do it one day. Well, I should do it one day. I haven't done it yet. Ivana, so what do you think of this? You would like to do that Chukka tour happening in the back there?
Yeah.
Looks nice, right?
Yes, very nice.
Walking down through the bamboo, and we're going down to the narrow part of the river to take in the scenery. Here we are by the narrow part of the river. If you look that end, it's wide. It comes through this narrow channel, it gets back wide. You like? Mm-hmm. Some dogs came, I don't know if you can see them in the background there, and they were barking. So they made a run for it. So we're heading back to the car to head up to Spanish Bridge, the old Spanish Bridge. The thing is, we're seeing a ton of cars passing, and it might be crowded. You know, I remember coming here years and years ago, and we were the only people who knew about it. Now it's very popular. What can you say? In the, well, under the Spanish Bridge. You can see it there behind me. Alright, look at that clear, clean water. I mean, come on, it doesn't get better than that, right? I can't wait to go in. We're just taking a minute and taking it in, and then we'll go in and enjoy the water. Now, as I said, you could hear the music. You know, they have entertainment, they have music and then playing. Look at the amount of cars. I don't know if you could see there, it's full of cars. It's very, very busy. I remember coming here years ago, 6-7 years ago, and it was only us. No one knew about it. Now it's very popular. And while I would like it to be only for us, I can't be angry, because more people is discovering this beautiful place. I mean, look at that natural water, and I'm literally standing underneath a historic old bridge. Come on, all right? Gotta be helpful. All right, and we're here on the other side of the bridge. That's it behind us. Nice and clear. Now this is the point where we get into the river, and the current takes us under the bridge into the other side. So I think enough pictures and videos. It's time to go into the water. Alright, so we went in the water, it was excellent. And I'm talking to one of my friends here.
Yeah, man, how you doing, guys?
Good day, man. He just watched my videos, so he recognized me.
Yeah, man, all the while. Welcome to Spanish Bridge, guys.
Bridge. And when they come, you know, buy the jerk. Alright, support him a little bit. This is local thing, so you have to support him. You know what I mean?
Respect, guys.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Respect.
I'll see you, boss.
Yes, Mr.
Yeah, you know, you just have to support the local guys and so yeah, we go and head down the road, get something to eat because we're hungry after the water. It was so nice. We drove out of Spanish Bridge and we're now in the Jerk Center. That's it there. And we're gonna get something to eat before we head back up the road. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. It's been a long time since I've been to Spanish Bridge, so I'm really glad to get back and see it. It's always so fantastic. The nature is always so good. Vanny, how was it? Yeah, far.
Really nice.
Really nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right. Later.